Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. If you have one of these Dyson Cordless vacuums, you probably run across something that every pet owner or anybody who's got a lot of hair or something going on in their house, you got to clean this head. The easiest way I found to do that is obviously you disconnect this, flip it over so you can get access to it. And the only thing you need is something as simple as a penny to basically unscrew this bar. And that cap comes off, and then you can pull this little bar that you basically have covered in hair. And that hasn't been cleaned in a while, as you can tell. But I got one of these little envelope openers, and instead of sitting here trying to pull this off, because we all know that doesn't work, what I do is I just go and I just cut right down. I just follow the whole brush, and basically it just cuts all that tangle completely out, and then you can like remove it easier than you would be if you were trying to do that like the whole entire time. And like I said, if you got a little trouble areas, you just take this, go through, do this a couple more times, and then towards the ends, and that will save you a whole lot of time. And trying to go through there with scissors and stuff, that just gets a little bit crazy. So, you know, in a quick couple minutes, about 2 minutes, you got that basically ready to start vacuuming again. And then, like I said, you just put this back in here, put that in, get your end cap, put that in. Oh, it's starting to rain and storm here. And then you are clean and back in business. So, anyway. See how clean that is? Alright, hopefully that helps everybody out there. Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. Be safe out there.